Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a recipe called Hunter's Chicken. This is an older recipe and I just wanted to show you how to make it. So what I'm going to do is start heating up some oil in my skillet, and I'm just going to go ahead and use some coconut oil. You can use vegetable oil or canola oil, whatever you have on hand. So I've got my skillet set on about medium, and I'm going to just go ahead and add in some oil and let it start melting. Now while that's melting, I'm going to dredge some chicken into some cornstarch that I have. I'm not sure if it would be the same if you use flour. I'm just going to follow the recipe and it says to use cornstarch, so that's what I'm going to do. And I'll show you what that looks like when I come back. You're going to need about 2 pounds of chicken breast, and what I've done is cut them in little smaller pieces. And I'm going to just throw this all over here in the skillet. Okay, so I have all my chicken in here, and I'm going to just let it cook. I'm trying to make it all even. I probably crowded my pan a little bit, but I think it'll be alright. And you just want your chicken to cook through, so however long that will take, you want it to be nice and golden brown. And then I will show you what we'll do next. I'm actually going to go ahead and put some salt and pepper on here as well. I like to use sea salt, but you can use whatever you want. And then I'll add some pepper. After you have your chicken brown and it's cooked through, you're going to add some green onions and some mushrooms. And you're going to cook this for a few minutes until those are cooked. After your onions and mushrooms have sauteed a little bit, you are going to add in some artichoke hearts. It calls for 10 ounces. This is 12 ounces. I'm just going to go ahead and add all of those in here. And I drained off most of the liquid, but there was still just a tiny little bit. And then you're going to add 3/4 cups of chicken broth or wine, whichever one you prefer. And then you're going to bring this up to a boil. And what I like to do is take my spoon once it starts cooking and get all those bits up off the bottom of the pan. After that has boiled for a few minutes, you're going to add in a 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream. So I guess apparently my camera stops recording after 30 minutes. Something happened. I have no idea. It stopped recording. So, and the weird thing is it was like at the 30-minute mark. So that's why I say I think it must stop at 30 minutes. So I believe the last thing I did was I added heavy cream. So after I added the heavy cream, I let it simmer for 5 minutes. And then I added a teaspoon of tarragon. And I added a 1/2 teaspoon of ground thyme. And I mixed that in, and now this is done. I'm going to serve this over some rice. It says that you can garnish it with some fresh tomato that you've chopped up. You can serve it with a salad, however you think you would like it. I'm anxious to try this. I'm super excited. I think it looks really good. I mean, it looks like it would be a boring meal, but it smells amazing. And so I can't wait to try it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys try it, tag me, make it, send me a picture of it, because I'd love to see it. Any of my recipes, I'd love to see pictures of them. It always thrills my heart when people make some of the recipes that I've made and you guys share them with me. It really excites me. So hope you guys have a good day. Bye.